Okay, how to make a custom notification message ringtone. Now for first I'll show you that I don't have any. You go to application, settings, sound, notification ringtone, and you see that here are original ringtones, standard, nothing custom. So what you want to do is go back and go to my files, scroll down and search media. Here it is. Make a folder called audio, and you open that map, and now you can make three different maps called alarms for alarm, ringtones for ringtone, and notification for notifications. So see that I don't have any here. So okay, you open that map where you have your custom ringtones. So my folder is download, and here it is. It named $11. So touch it and move and search for that folder named media, audio, ringtones, and move here. So you see it is here. Now you go all the way back to the settings, voice, and ringtone, and you see that it's here. You see that it's here. So yes, that's all, and I hope that I will see you in the next tutorials.